Hello everybody, it's me, Harrington the Boss, or Harrington Brooks here. Today I'm playing a game called Battle of Warships on my phone. I got it yesterday and I've recently decided to start YouTube doing phone games, so yeah, let's start off with this container. Yoink. Speed increase, that's actually quite useful. But yeah, so this game is basically you have a bunch of ships, you have like 6 on each team I think, and you have to try and destroy the opposition team. So yeah, let's go. Yeah, there we go. Let's go. I think I'm gonna go right of the iceberg, just because it looks to be the quickest way. Oh, can't really zoom in. Or is that like not allowed? There we go. Oh, can't quite reach those. Oh, own teammate. Bro, where are you going? Idiot, what are you doing? What are you doing, fella? Wow, okay, well, he's a retard. He just seems to be killing his own team. It's probably not worth it. Ooh, but this guy definitely is. Come on, come here, bro. Come on. Come on, keep going. Keep going. Okay, let's take a shot. Boom. Boom. I think I got him. Ooh, ooh. Oh, damn it. Come on. Yes, go on. Get him. Looks to be coming towards me. Ow. Oh, he missed. Come on, get him. How are you missing? How is that missing? Yes, got a hit. Oh, I got another hit. Come on. How could you miss him? Go. Come on. Kill him. Bang. 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 Okay, I'm screwed. There we go. Great. I just love this. That was kind of really bad. Okay. You suck. I really hate you. Well, I can't be bothered. So just gonna go back to the menu. Right, okay, back to the menu. Oh, okay, we're back from the advert that I just experienced, I guess. Let's get into the battle. Okay, we got a different map now. We just join, like, who cares if there's only 12 people? Come on, one more person, please. Come on! Go! There we go. Let's do this. The reason I don't have any volume on this is mostly because of the fact that it's very loud, this game, and you won't be able to hear me. That's obviously not very good, because that's the whole point. But yeah, so yeah, going into the second game now, hoping to probably target nearer this guy in front of me. Could just go for it, to be quite honest. I might go for it. Okay, I want to go for it. Oh, oh. Oh, that was close. That was very close. Come on, get him, get him, get him, get him. You missed. You suck. Oh my god. Can you hit him, please? Yes. Right, steer. Come on, get him, get him. No! Okay, get him, get him. Pew, pew, pew. Oh dear. Okay. I'll shoot him. Or not. I think I am. Yep. That's the problem. Come on, come on. Yes. Come on, that was good. Go, hit him. Pew, 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 pew. Loads of hits. Oh god. Oh god. Boom, 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 boom. Holy Jesus! Who is killing me? Jugador, who the frick is he? He's over here. Cheat. Okay, I'm just gonna pause it. Okay, we're getting straight back into another game. Let's go. Make sure you have a good internet connection. I hope I do. A bit disappointing if I didn't. Not gonna lie. It's taking such a long time. There we go. Let's go. Okay, I think I know where I'm gonna go actually. I'm gonna go. Basically, I'm gonna go down there and then round and attack them like that. That's what I want to do. So yeah. Okay, we've got 7, they've only got 3, so that's good. Got a massive advantage. What are you doing, you idiot? What are you doing? Dude, can you not? Well, that's just rude. Attack your own teammate. Okay, he's going for it. Well, that's pointless. You ain't gonna get that, mate. What is he trying? There's no one there. That'll just be a waste. Only got 2 left, that's these 2. Drive. Just drive. I wanna be the only one to make it to the line. Oh, sorry. I think we've gone the wrong way, really. Could just go for some banter shots. Then again, he's probably got how much. Okay, one of them's down. Just gonna go for it, really. Oh, it's gonna make it over 6. Okay, whatever. Gonna go through that gap. I mean, we've got them really. I mean, I don't think there's any way we won't get him. So yeah. Hey, we won. Didn't get anything really, but oh well. But that is gonna be the end of this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you have, be sure to subscribe. Check out my not my YouTube, my Instagram. It is Harrington the Boss, just like my YouTube channel. But I hope to see you in the next video. Goodbye.